So what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And as you can tell by the title, I gotta start taking apart everything off my truck because there's no point in buying it back. It's totaled. So I got 3 days to start taking everything apart, I think, before insurance has to come get it. And yeah, it's gonna really suck, but pretty sure I already found a new truck that I'm looking at already on Marketplace. I just gotta convince my parents to let me go buy it. Yeah, it sucks to talk about, but I'm probably going to take whatever I want out of this truck because I could give a shit less. So yeah, I got to start taking everything out. All my speakers, everything, all the wiring, all that. I got to start taking it all out. All my rock lights. I got to take all my rock lights out. But this new truck that I'm looking at, it's a 97 Ford 4-door long bed, and it's a flatbed, and it's already on wides. And it's black and it looks so clean. It has a built transmission. It has a built 7.3 in it, and they only want $7,000 for it. And that would be so freaking cool to have. And I'm so excited. It's already on wides. It's on 14 wides, and it has airbags. It has rear air suspension in it for towing. And dude, I cannot wait to go look at it. Hopefully purchase it. So I'll keep you guys updated. But first things first, I'm gonna start cleaning out the inside, and I'll talk to you guys whenever I get done with everything. Hey, Bob, what's that noise?
Shit, I don't really know.
If you ain't rubbing, you ain't thugging, twin.
No, sir. No, sir.
All right, ready?
One last burnout for the 5-0, huh?
Yep.
Alright, hit it, Dig. Keep her going! Yes, sir! Oh my god, damn. Hell yeah.
So update, guys. About an hour in, and I think I've only taken off maybe 8 rock lights. So the 3 in the front. Wait, hold on. 9, 11 rock lights so far. I've only taken off 11 rock lights. All my $200 in headlights and fog lights. Well, just bulbs. And then my license plate, and that's literally about it. So like, and I'm only an hour in. And I need one of my buddies to come over because this is going to take forever. Because I still have all the audio stuff. And yeah, it's just. And whenever I'm done, I'm going to rip these tires, dude. I'm going to fucking do the craziest burnout until they're bald. Because I don't care anymore. It's about how much tread we got left. We got about 50%. And we're going to burn them all, boy. All right, I'll see you guys when I update you guys again. All right, so I got some of the rock lights. I think we got 12 more, maybe. And my buddy's here. We're putting new speakers in his truck, door speakers. But yeah, so then I'm gonna start taking the audio out. Once we do the door speakers on his truck, we're gonna take all the door speakers off my truck. Yeah, so let's do it. All right, so we got his 2 front door speakers on, and all I've got so far is I think I have 6 rock lights in the back, and then the other 3 on that fender, and that's about it. So here's 2 more rock lights from the back. Yeah, there we go. So we're getting progress done. I have not got anywhere in the interior, but I have till Sunday, and today's Thursday, so we're doing good on time. All right, so it's the next day, and we're doing more work. We got the hitch off. We got to get more rock lights off. We got a bunch of stuff in here still. And then we got to get these rear fender liners out, and I'm going to sell them. And yeah, so let's get back to work.
I don't think it's supposed to be leaking.
It is, I promise, I checked.
Oh, it's supposed to?
Yeah, it's supposed to be leaking everything.
Why is there duct tape on here?
I don't know.
Now it's pouring.
No way.
Yep.
Is it actually?
Well, the bottom is.
That's cute.
Um,
Where are those fog lights?
Now it's going rapidly.
No way.
I swear.
That's amazing. See here?
Like it was pouring more and more.
Oh, well, there we go. Man, I need your help.
Oh, I see it. Yep.
That'll do it.
This thing's officially totaled.
Are you good?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Traction roll.
Oh, I laid off.
Ready? Yeah, sitting on all them huns.
That smells so bad.
All right, so right now we're taking both rear fender liners out so we can get to the rock lights, and because I'm giving these to my buddy for free. So yeah, here's one of them, and then here's the second one out. So yeah, we got these out. My brother was helping me. Now he went inside to go play Roblox like a bum. But yeah, we got those out, and I think we only have front 4. I think only in this wheel well left. And then I don't think there's any over here. No, I already got all those out. I think there's 4 more rock lights in total left. So we're gonna knock her out, and we're gonna start going on the audio. Let's do it. Unless I have to go to work, but yeah. Alright, so I just got done working a 6-hour shift at work, and now I'm gonna start trying to doing this to all of them to like compact them a little bit better. So yeah, so it's not this wire mess, and I can actually put them in like a Ziploc bag. But I think we're gonna go look at a new truck this weekend or Monday. And today's Friday, Halloween, so hopefully we can get everything off today before insurance comes and take her. All right, all the rock lights are done. Everything else is out. We got all 4 speakers are out. Now we got to take the exhaust off because that's getting sold. We got to take the bumper off, and we got to get all the audio wiring and stuff out. So yeah. All right, so everything is out of my truck right now, and I'm selling this exhaust to one of my buddies for 120 bucks, and now I got to make it look pretty. So let's see how long it takes. It's been 10 minutes, and I've only done that much so far. So yeah, but hold on, let me go over here and show you guys. So everything is in this tote. Everything can fit in this tote mostly, besides this, and then everything is out of the truck. All I need to do when my dad gets home is take the toolbox out, and then I should be done with everything. Everything's off the truck. Nobody wanted this bumper, so it's just gonna stay on. Yeah, so let's get to wire brushing. All right, so everything is out of my truck besides my toolbox, and that's the only thing left that I gotta get out. My dad's coming home today to come help me take it out, and then insurance should be coming this week to come get the truck. So I've been looking at a couple 6.0s, but let's start this piece of crap. Woo, baby! There's no exhaust on it, if you can't tell. No. There's the exhaust. Oh my God! Holy! She is smoking. Yeah. I think it's a little chilly out here today. But there's no exhaust on her. I'm selling that to one of my buddies. That does not sound good. Oh my God, it is smoking so bad. Where is all of this smoke coming from? Oh, found it. Alright, let's get her moved. Well, looks like I found another 2014 5.0 fully loaded that I'm going to go pick up soon, hopefully. My dad has to talk to the guy because he's the one who found it. but insurance comes to pick up the truck. I'll go show you. As you can see, this is everything I took off. My Amazon third brake light, $1,000 radio, that too, that'll fit in the truck. It's the same exact truck basically. So mirrors, $500 battery. The custom amp wall that I made, that's going in the new truck. Mirrors are gonna go in the new truck. Everything that you see here is going into the new truck. It's the same exact truck, but if we walk over here, give me 1 second. So, as you guys can see, it's basically stripped. Like, it's pretty much stripped. I think I'm gonna get new window or rain guards off Amazon that are better. But oh no, where'd the bumper go? It's right here. I'm not getting rid of this thing. It's too much. It means too much to me, you know. But yeah, that's everything out of her. Hopefully in the next video you guys will see I have a new truck. We're putting everything back on. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know let me know what you think about the truck and what happened and everything else. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think and maybe what I should get, because I'm looking at a 2014 F-150. It's a gray. I think it's Nardo gray. Same exact truck. It's fully loaded Lariat. Has a moonroof, everything, heated seats, cooled seats, everything. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See you.
All right, let's get her, bud.